Hey everyone, it's Jen again from the Planner Chickie with an update of my dream planner unicorn style. I know! I got my hands on a Gillio Frenzy Appunto A6. I think it's called Miss Piggy. It's like the ostrich kind with the little bumps on there. It's new to me, so there's a tiny bit of wear and tear here. Very tiny, but this is a blush pink. It's almost the same color as my hand, to be honest. A little pinkier, maybe. And I put my Stalogy in here, and I got it right away. Oh, shebang. And I moved in right away, and I forgot that I'm using it as a wallet right away. There we go. Okay, everybody in? Good. Now, I will say I'm probably not going to use it as a wallet because you can see better over here. See how it bulks that side up? Like a lot. A lot. But it was fun while I wanted to try it. It has 4 pockets and then like a smile pocket here. It has a slip pocket here that you could put $1 in, although I had struggles to put $1 in there. This is a fake pocket. So anybody that's been lusting after this, let's zoom in, shall we? Because you don't hear a lot of people talk about this. Fake pocket, not real at all. This is fake. I was so excited because I thought, oh my gosh, that is like pocket Armageddon. But this is the pocket you slip the back cover into, and then the lovely woman that sold it to me on the Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook, I'll link it below if I remember. I will try really hard to remember. Sent me some cute stickers with it. And I slipped my A6 Stalogy in there, and as you can see, it fits quite nicely. There's no hangover. There's room for my pen. I dropped my pen before filming. I love the little circle doodads. It reminds me of the Hobonichi covers that I really like. I like these. I like these a lot. These are super duper cute. It's like having a planner charm, but a quiet one. And then in the back, thank you, Jennifer, for showing all your personal information online. We have sticky notes. There's a zipper pocket, which I'll never use. Matter of fact, I wish this wasn't here. I wish it was just like a half or a secretarial pocket. And then there's the big pocket in the back, which I really did put my dollars in, but I bought Chinese food today, so they're gone. And this is my Gillio Appunto. This is what it's called. Gillio Appunto. And I'm still using my little Stalogy notebook, and I'm putting all kinds of papers in here. It's chunking up a little. You can see where I've used it and where I have not. I have not. I have. The monthly view we'll just flip through October while we're here. We'll call this an October flip through. An introduction to my Gillio Appunto. Anyway, this is how October was. October was hell because, like I said, I moved. And then November is just a fish out of water. And December, hopefully, I move again. And Roxy says hi, per usual. Per the usual. Now, there's going to be stuff in here I have to cover up because I did not center myself before sitting down. Okay, so we've got, this week I decided to split the page down the middle because why not? And then I wrote real big because why not? Storage unit, college hunks, the guys that moved me, information. Like, this is my messy, gross planner that I love. Notes for my daily planner, notes for my bills, busy time, packing, flip houses to see, because my budget's so low, I have to buy what people would consider a flip house. Moving to do, which, by the way, everything got done. Most organized pack ever. My mom helped me, thank you, Jesus. And then that brings us to the end, where I should not have flashed that on the screen. Here we go. This is a list of all the TV shows because I canceled my cable, so now I have to watch it on apps and whatnot. This is November bills. I'll just scroll through November. It's not that busy. A receipt for the doggy daycare. I just wanted to keep track. And then that's it. You're up to date. But isn't this nice? It's so nice. It's so soft. And it smells good. Smell it. I know. It smells good. You know, there's a lot of hype around it. And there's a lot of FOMO, if you will. And I certainly did not want to pay $300+ for this planner. And I just couldn't justify it. I really couldn't. I did sell 2 of my planners before I packed up and left. And so I took that money and bought this planner. So in essence, I kind of traded planners. And I'm happy I did because I freaking love it. However, I don't think it's worth $300 freaking dollars. Not a Louis Vuitton, it's not a Chanel or Hermes for us fancy people. It is nice though. I understand the craftsmanship. The stitching is beautiful. I just think you can get something like this on Etsy. I don't know. I'm going to get a lot of hate for this. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. And for 2020, I don't know that I'm going to stay in my Stalogy because my go-to planner is my Jib and Techo and I'm missing it. So I think I might do a combo with maybe a half of a Stalogy and a full Jib and Techo. This way I could do the page per day and I could do the weekly layout. All in one notebook. However, the Jib and Techo is a B6 Slim and it's not going to fit in here. So now I have to find a B6 Etsy-like item. I just like something with pockets. I'm a pocket girl. Which is ironic because the last two planners I really didn't put anything in the pockets. So, that's a life update with me and my new planner, which I do like. Please don't hate me. Please don't put so much hate in the comments to make me cry. Thank you so much. I'll see you for my next video. Till then, bye-bye.